Hi there, my name is Patrick in SPD, and this is my weekly improvement. I am using Microsoft Project more now than ever, and I'm learning it as I go. Before in the old um, Microsoft Project, there was a an export to portal button up at the top here on the ribbon. Now there isn't, so I had to kind of figure out what to do and how to get on the portal after I update my schedule. My schedule is very important. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a slight change. Oops, I'll make a slight change here. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to click View, Macros. Export to Portal is already highlighted, so I'm going to click Run, Yes to export, and type in my job number. So it should be already changed in the portal. As we can see, it's not here anymore, so it is good to go. Thank you for watching.